Hey guys, welcome to the call. In this video, we are going to cover the application control policies in the Sophos. So first, you have to make sure you are on the right path. My product, endpoint, and the policies. Since I'm already on the same path, I just have to click on Add Policies. From here, I can select the either user or the either device, and there is the first application control policies. Name is the application control itself. So it start from A. That's why it's in the first number. Select it, select the device again, and app test policies, VOLICY, and select your computer, move it to the policy group. Then same goes you can do with your group and go to the settings. So detect controlled applications when user access, you will be notified or you want to block it. So just click on it. I want to block some applications. And also the same application, if it detects on the on-demand screens, it will be also getting blocked, and you can request applications to be added in the suppose if application is not there. So I just want to, this is blocked by me. Sorry. Guys, yeah. This is blocked by me. Let's try to open one application specifically, then we'll see like how we can block it. Once double clicking on the ultra viewer, it will load in a few minutes maybe. So like probably it seems there is something error. There is some error with ultra viewer. So what I'm going to do it. So let me show you with the another applications, which could be the CapCut probably. Yeah. Let's say if they have the CapCut, all the node. Let's add the list and search for the CapCut. Yeah, they have the CapCut as well. I want to apply the policies. First, I will launch the CapCut and I will show like it's working or not. And then we will apply the policies and we will see how does it work. So maybe CapCut can take two things. Okay. So probably CapCut is working. You can see on my device. Let's try to block the CapCut. From this list, I have selected the media conversion tool and CapCut was there. So just block the detections and save this policy. Let's close it once. Specifically this app, yeah. Not able to close it. Okay, and from taskbar, policies has been applied. Let's check the same policies status in the Sophos itself. Even if detections, sorry, just go to the status, endpoint self file, services, device encryptions, and components. So yeah, so services is running. Let's, I think yeah, probably the wait time is over. Let's search for the CapCut and try. Let me try to open it if it's working or not. I did a double click multiple time, but it's not opening. But yeah, let's wait for a few seconds more to see what we are seeing. Is there any, if there is any alert or anything is there. I'm also trying to run this as an administrator. So yeah. So you would be getting usually this alert only. Windows cannot access this specific device path of the file. You may not have appropriate permissions. So probably what Sophos is doing is like they are locking down the device. So this is the, this is how you can block the certain applications on the device. This is not like the fully functional MDM kind of application whitelisting, but yeah, again, if you have the applications then you can block place using Sophos. Thanks guys. Thanks for the watching it. We will meet in next videos.